Why veterinarians recommend standard process whole food supplements. Hi, my name is Dr. Sue Howell, and I own Thrive Holistic Veterinary Care in Thiensville, Wisconsin. And I've dedicated my practice to nutrition and nutritional therapies largely because of how whole food has changed my patients' lives. I spent over 16 years in conventional practice. However, I found that with medications, conventional pet foods, and surgery, many of my patients weren't truly healing. Their symptoms may or may not have been managed, but they weren't living optimally. I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted to see. And I realized I wasn't the only veterinarian that was struggling with cases that weren't responding. We knew we were missing a piece of the puzzle. Nutrition is the basis of optimal health, so it made sense that whole food is the most impactful way to give pets' bodies the healing tools that they need. In 2002, JAMA acknowledged that there are partial nutritional deficiencies in disease. Subclinical nutritional deficiencies are common, and physicians must learn to recognize those with poor nutrition or reasons for increased vitamin needs. In 2012, the World Small Animal Veterinary Medical Association made nutrition the fifth vital assessment, meaning that when you take your pet to the vet, they should be checking 5 things: temperature, pulse, respiration, and pain score. And now they should also be doing a nutritional assessment with every pet at every visit. There are many studies that show that pets are more nutritionally deficient than ever before. And PetMD talks about 5 common dog illnesses that are impacted by nutrition: obesity, pancreatitis, bladder stones, heart disease, and diarrhea. Do any of these sound like your pet? We really need to focus on nutrition first. There's a rise in chronic disease and chronic inflammation in our pets, largely due to the lack of good nutrition. I stopped and took a close look at the type of foods my clients were feeding their pets and what I was feeding my own pets. And most of us were feeding a processed food diet. Many of these diets lack essential vitamins and minerals due to high heat processing and suboptimal ingredients. Let's take a look at how nature intended for our pets to eat. In the wild, our pets would look for botanicals and animal protein. For example, when lions make a kill, what do they eat first? Of course, they eat the organs, the liver, the kidneys, the heart, the digestive tract. They may eat the muscle meat later, give it to the lower lions on the chain, or even let the scavengers have the rest. So unless you're preparing your pet's food every day, or unless they're hunting for their dinner or getting a biologically appropriate diet, we can say they're simply not eating as nature intended. The Chinese have a saying, "Eat thy organ in which you wish to fortify." That means if you have a damaged liver, you need to eat liver in order to provide specific amino acids and other materials that are very specific to the liver to rebuild function. This is called glandular therapy. Up until the 1940s, we used to do a better job of glandular therapy for ourselves and our pets. So when I work with my clients in practice, I make sure that their pets are getting at least 20% fresh food, and that includes organ meat. I've been using standard process products in my practice for about 15 years, and I use them to help complete nutritional gaps in their diets. Standard process provides the highest quality whole food supplements available. They've been around for over 90 years. And since 1929, Standard Process has been dedicated to the field of nutritional supplements and the whole food philosophy introduced by Dr. Royal Lee. Dr. Lee's goal was to provide nutrients as they're found in nature in a whole food state where he believes their natural potency and efficacy would be realized. The Standard Process Organic Farm is located in Palmyra, Wisconsin, where they grow the majority of their plant products. About 15 minutes from the farm is the manufacturing facility. So they truly go from seed to supplement. I've personally visited and toured the farm and the manufacturing facility with multiple other veterinarians, and I'm confident in the quality control, research, and development that goes into providing these supplements. Standard process products are well balanced with botanicals and glandular ingredients, which gives our pets optimal nutrition in an easy form. We're so fortunate that Standard Process not only provides the veterinary line, but they also provide human products that we utilize in the vet world, along with herbal products from MediHerb. I encourage you to visit the Standard Process website at www.standardprocess.com or talk to your veterinarian about which Standard Process products can benefit your pet. Because given the right nutritional tools, all pets have the natural ability to thrive.